Today we will discuss the various methods or techniques of training. There are two methods of training. One is on-the-job method of training and another is off-the-job method of training. Now we will look at what is the meaning of on-the-job method and how it is different from off-the-job method of training. Right? So on-the-job method, as the name suggests, on the job means remaining on the job. The trainee learns the things. Okay? So on-the-job training is a training under which the trainee is placed on the regular job and taught the necessary skills to perform the job effectively. Right? The trainee learns on the actual machine and in the real environment. Okay? जो भी कंपनी का रियल एनवायरनमेंट में ऑन द एक्चुअल मशीन द ट्रेनी लर्न्स. द ट्रेनी लर्न अंडर द सुपरविजन एंड गाइडेंस ऑफ हिज सुपीरियर. सुपीरियर मीन्स उसके ऊपर जो होते हैं, ही लर्न्स अंडर हिज गाइडेंस एंड सुपरविजन. उनके गाइडेंस में, उनके सुपरविजन में जैसे ट्रेनी को सीखने के लिए सारा चीज को जैसे वो सीख पाता है. राइट? द ट्रेनी लर्न्स बाय ऑब्जर्विंग द थिंग्स. ऑब्जर्व करते हुए भी वो सीखता है एंड बाय हैंडलिंग द थिंग्स. ओके, सो इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज लर्निंग बाय डूइंग. मीन्स करते हुए सीखना, लर्निंग बाय डूइंग. राइट? एंड द वेरियस मेथड्स यूज्ड फॉर ऑन द जॉब मेथड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग इज कोचिंग, जॉब रोटेशन, JIT, that is job instruction training, then apprenticeship training and internship training. So this all are the various on the job methods of training. Right, children? Now we will look at what is off the job method of training. Off the job method of training is a training under which the trainee is given, training is given outside the workplace. वर्कप्लेस से बाहर और आउटसाइड द जॉब बोल सकते हैं, अवे फ्रॉम द वर्कप्लेस. ओके, अंडर स्टिम्युलेटेड सिचुएशन मीन्स एक आर्टिफिशियल सेटअप जैसे क्रिएट किया जाता है एंड द ट्रेनी लर्न्स अंडर दैट आर्टिफिशियल सेटअप, दैट इज कॉल्ड सिम्युलेटेड सिचुएशन. राइट? द ट्रेनी लर्न्स फ्रॉम एक्सपर्ट्स एंड प्रोफेशनल्स अंडर ऑफ द जॉब मेथड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग फ्रॉम विद इन एंड आउटसाइड. जो भी प्रोफेशनल्स हैं, जो भी एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, वो हो सकता है कंपनी के अंदर से भी हैं या तो कंपनी के बाहर से भी जैसे एक्सपर्ट्स को लिया जाता है टू ट्रेन द ट्रेनिंग्स. ओके, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज लर्निंग बिफोर डूइंग. काम करने से पहले उनको ट्रेन किया जाता है एंड आफ्टर दैट दे आर डूइंग द जॉब. That's why it is called as learning before doing. Right? And the various methods of the job training are classroom training, number 1, and number 2 is vestibule training. Right, children? Now we will look at the merits and demerits of on the job training as well as off the job training and its various types. Right? So that you can write in the difference between on the job training and off the job training also. So on the job training is an inexpensive. Okay, just try to understand the words because there is sometimes you're confused with the words. Inexpensive means not costly. Okay, not expensive or economical. Whatever term is used, meaning is same. Okay, costly method नहीं है. On the job training is not a costly method or it is an economical method of training. Why? Reason is that there is no such additional spaces required, neither any requirement of machineries or equipments. Okay, so that's why it is economical or inexpensive method of training, which is one of the merits of on the job method of training. Right? Next is number 1 merit is this. Number 2 merit is the trainee learns by observing the things, and this method is suitable for those jobs which can be learned through observations. जैसे कि ऑब्जर्व करके जो चीज़ों को सीखा जा सकता है उस जॉब के लिए जैसे ऑन द जॉब ट्रेनिंग इज मोस्ट सुइटेबल. सो दिस आर द 3 benefits or merits of on the job training, children. Next is the trainee learns on the actual machine and on the real environment. This is another merit or advantage or benefit of on-the-job method of training, right? Now we will look at the demerits of on-the-job method of training. So what are the various demerits? Number one is chances of accident increases, because in the real environment, on the machine itself, the employees or the trainees are working. That's why there is more chances of accidents, right? Next is, it is used on the real job. That's why due to the noise, due to the disturbance, it is difficult for the trainee to concentrate on the job. जॉब में जैसे ट्रेनी कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर सकता है ड्यू टू द वर्क प्लेस नॉइज. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज द ट्रेनी में कॉज डैमेज टू कॉस्टली इक्विपमेंट्स. जो भी मशीनरीज, जो भी इक्विपमेंट्स है वो डैमेज भी हो सकता है, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम भी आ सकती है, बिकॉज द पर्सन इज न्यू, ही इज डूइंग द थिंग्स व्हाइल लर्निंग. ओके, so that is another demerit. And next is, this method is often haphazard and unorganized. Okay, so this all are the demerits of on-the-job training. And merit में less time consuming भी होता है, it is less time consuming. So this is another merit of on-the-job training, right children? Now we will look at one of the demerit of off-the-job method of training as compared to on-the-job method of training. This point you can write as the difference between on-the-job method and off-the-job method of training. Okay? So off-the-job method of training is costly or expensive, जबकि on-the-job economical था, less costly था. Okay? While off-the-job method of training is expensive or costly method. As what, why, if you are being asked the reason, then the reason is that it needs additional space and additional investment in machineries and equipment. That's why it is a costly method of training. Next, off-the-job method is more time consuming. This is another disadvantage, that it is more time consuming, while on-the-job method of training is less time taking. And on-the-job method is used for simple jobs, while off-the-job method of training is used for complex jobs. Complex jobs in the sense where sophisticated machineries are being used. Okay, so this is all about the merits and demerits of on-the-job as well as off-the-job method of training. Right? Now we will look at the various types of on-the-job method of training and the various types of off-the-job method of training. So there are three types of on-the-job method of training. Number one is JIT, that is job instruction training. Number two, apprentice training. And number three, internship training. So the easiest way you can remember in this way, JIT, last is IT, apprentice training is AT, and internship training is again IT. So it, in that sense, two types you are getting, JIT and internship training, that is IT, and apprentice training, that is AT. Okay. Now we will look at what are the various types of off-the-job method of training. There are two types of off-the-job method of training. One is vestibule training and second one is classroom training.